You thought. Because, you know, people like myself have been catching right in front of their face without them even knowing. Watching them lie straight to a camera. You got to get you one of these. You don't know what I'm talking about, do you? Look at me. You got to get you one of these. One of these. What, a pen? That's not a pen. A lot of in the past 4 years thought it was a pen. It ain't. You know how many people right now is going, wait, has he ever had that pen around us? Has it ever been like on his shirt or in his hat? The answer is yes. So everybody trying to corroborate against me better back the up. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm finna go do some Tennessee backwoods have some fun. Goodbye. You know what's crazy about this whole like missing scientist thing that's going on the news? When's the only other time in history you heard about missing scientists or kidnapped scientists? Nazi scientists. That's the only other time we've heard about missing scientists. I'm just pointing out the obvious. Notice how we heard about these quote-unquote missing scientists through internet media. We didn't hear about it from our actual government. When our government was told about these missing scientists, they were like, well, I don't know. Sounds pretty important. We'll have to look into it. So they're being sarcastic, right? It's got me wondering if, one, these people were even NASA scientists in the first damn place, or were they part of NASA in some way and were, well, illegal aliens? Because I remember a few years ago, I thought it was weird when I would watch the Sheriff Grady Judd, I'd watch his press conferences and stuff, and he, for like a 2-week span, he kept mentioning, he's like, I'm arresting these people who say they're in the Air Force, and turns out they're not in the Air Force. They're like, I remember him like talking about the context of some of the text message strands these people were having, like talking about ping pong lessons and some other shit. I'm just like, what? And come to find out, these people were not even in the military, but they were posing as they were like Air Force personnel, right? Okay, well, we all know that the whole stolen valor thing has just like gone through the roof. We all know the people who are like impersonating cops is like going through the roof. So who's to say that these people aren't posing as I work for NASA? Like, you know what I mean? It would make sense on why they're like, yeah, I don't know, we'll have to look into it, whatever. And that would also make sense on why we didn't hear about these NASA scientists or whatever from actual government agencies. We heard about it through like some Joe Blow on YouTube. Because think about it, bro. People are gullible. Like, nobody knew about these scientists before someone was like, there's missing scientists who could have ties to alien craft and alien technology. Like, we never heard about these people before. Some Joe Blow on the internet was like, there's missing scientists. But immediately everybody's like, we demand to know about these scientists. Well, did you know these scientists before? You didn't. You didn't know anything about them. And now you do. And now you're instantly demanding answers. So if this is the case, and the government did come out to all the gullible people and was like, yeah, they're not real NASA scientists, everybody would instantly be like, you're lying. Even though they could be telling the truth. That could be the truth, that they're not even real NASA scientists, dog. Watch this. See my foot? Watch. Oh, no. You see that? I can do it again. Look, watch. Watch it. Chelsea, he's floating. He's a demon, Chelsea. Chelsea, call the cops. Chad, I don't have time right now, okay? I drained all my psychic energy, like remote viewing, for like dispatch, okay? My iron's low, okay?
I have lupus pupus dupus the third. It's a real diagnosis. And like, if you're making fun of me for someone's like, for someone's like genomes or whatever. There's 7,642 and 1/4 of genders in the world. Okay? You cannot tell me different. It's real in my brain.
That is a real fat demon. She ain't casting no mother spell on me. Got a statue of the devil on a bathroom sink. Smell like onions and I think she's got some sewage cheeks.
What is up with the Chad dude, bro? Is it just me or is he acting like really strange? Like, what the f are you explaining? Why is he like explaining himself so much for? He said a couple of weird things in his last video. Like he said the phrase, "What's the worst that can happen?" I don't know. What are you referring to? Then he's like, "Listen, a TBI agent already came to my house and I'm cleared." From what? Don't even try to spin all that bull talking about like, "Oh, Upchurch is making fun of fat people." No, I'm not making fun of fat people. There's a lot of thick chicks who look good as hell. But Chelsea is not one of them. Chelsea looks like Chad's brother. So, okay. Chad's over there having his dog. My dog loves me. Which one? The one with purple hair and gauges or the border collie outside? These kind of people always have excuses for themselves. Even if they got to make it up. They'll make up a fake Dr. Seuss medical term just because they're lazy as shit. Slam Ashland City McDonald's cheeseburgers all day and don't do anything. They're like, "Yeah, I got lupus, stupus, pupus, diabetes. It's pretty serious. So like, don't make fun of me about it, okay?"